Losing your wallet is a nightmare. Frantic searches, canceled cards, that sinking feeling. A smart tracker card is your insurance policy. But with so many options, rechargeable versus replaceable battery, Apple versus Android, basic versus feature-packed, which one actually saves the day when you need it most? Today, we're comparing 3 top wallet trackers to find your perfect backup plan. Welcome back to Top 3 Compared. I'm your host, Misha. A huge shout out to all of our subscribers. We couldn't do this without you. Let's talk about wallet trackers. Unlike a bulky keychain tracker, these are designed to slide right into your wallet, credit card slot, or passport holder. They're slim, discreet, and ready to save your day. Today, we're putting 3 of the best head-to-head: the Pebblebee Card 5, the Chipolo CARD Spot, and the Rolling Square AirCard Pro Dual. We'll break down battery life, compatibility, features, and who each one is truly built for. Let's find your wallet's guardian angel. First, the Pebblebee Card 5. This is the ultimate for users who hate disposable batteries. It's fully rechargeable via wireless charging. Just drop it on any Qi charger, and you're good to go for months. No prying open the card, no buying replacement batteries. But the killer feature is network flexibility. When setting it up, you can choose between Apple's Find My Network or Google's Find My Device network. One card, your choice. It also features two-way finding, so you can ring your phone from the card if you've misplaced it nearby. It's IPX4 splash resistant, and the audible alert is loud enough to find under couch cushions. It's the eco-friendly, cross-platform, modern choice. Bottom line, choose the Pebblebee card. If you want a rechargeable card that lets you pick your preferred ecosystem, Apple or Android, and hate the idea of replacing tiny batteries. Next, the Chipolo CARD Spot. This tracker is purpose-built for Apple users who want simplicity. It integrates seamlessly with Apple's Find My Network, leveraging hundreds of millions of iPhones to help locate your lost wallet. The design is ultra-slim, just 2.4mm thick, making it one of the thinnest card trackers available. It features Left Behind alerts, so your iPhone will notify you the moment you walk away from your wallet. The battery is replaceable and lasts about 2 years. It's simple, effective, and does one thing exceptionally well: keeping your wallet safe within the Apple ecosystem. Bottom line, choose the Chipolo CARD Spot if you're deep in the Apple ecosystem and want a simple, ultra-thin tracker that just works with Find My. No extra apps needed. Last on the list, the Rolling Square AirCard Pro Dual, the premium dual network powerhouse. Finally, the Rolling Square AirCard Pro Dual. This is the premium feature-packed choice for users who want it all. It boasts a massive replaceable battery that lasts up to 3 years, so you set it and forget it. It has an action button that can be programmed for different functions, and it's IPX7 waterproof. The build quality is premium metal, not just plastic. If you want the ultimate protection for your wallet, with the most features and dual network reliability, this is your card. Bottom line, choose the Rolling Square AirCard Pro Dual. If you want the most premium build, dual network compatibility, Apple Plus Tile, and the longest battery life on the market. Let's look at our category winners, and they are: Best for multiple features, Rolling Square AirCard Pro Dual. Best for Apple users and simplicity, Chipolo CARD Spot. Best for premium dual network, Pebblebee Card 5. Which should you choose? Choose the Pebblebee Card 5 if you want a rechargeable card that lets you pick your preferred ecosystem, Apple or Android, and you hate disposable batteries. Choose the Chipolo CARD Spot if you're an iPhone user who wants the simplest, most seamless integration with Apple's Find My Network and the thinnest possible card. Choose the Rolling Square AirCard Pro Dual if you want the most premium build, most features, and the longest battery life for ultimate peace of mind. And that's your wallet secured. One of these slim cards is the perfect insurance policy for those "where's my wallet" moments. We've linked all 3 trackers in the description below, so you can check the latest prices and find the best deal. If this helped you decide, a quick like really helps the channel. Subscribe to Top 3 Compared and join the family, and let us know in the comments which tracker you're sliding into your wallet first.